Hi guys! Thank you for joining us for this edition of Color and Beauty. My name is Tenaj Astrid.
And my name is Astrid.
And today we are going to show you guys some athleisure. Yeah, so athleisure is actually a pretty new concept. Like the idea that it's athletic wear but make it fashion.
So we just got a couple of things from different stores, Five Below, Plato's Closet. If you have not checked out those videos, we'll link it somewhere, either up above or down in the description box, so check those out. But yeah, we just wanted to show you guys a couple of outfits that we pulled together that are also affordable. So
very affordable.
Go ahead and get on into it.
Okay.
So first up, the first outfit I have is very plain and simple, okay, because that's the type of person I am when I get up and go. Are these really cute biker shorts that are like a pastel tie-dye. We got these from Five Below, from a Five Below, not haul, but like we did
shopping.
You did a shop with us at Five Below. Okay, check that out. And this was $5. I got it in a small because it's pretty stretchable. Well, at least the lining that's up at the hips is pretty stretchable. But I don't know, I like the bright colors, especially for summer. I don't have that many bright colors in my wardrobe.
She has an affinity to black, which is fine.
I do. I just feel like everything that I find that has a cute design or like a cut is always black, or that's in my size is always black. So when I found this, I was just like, I have to have it. Now the only thing that I was ding it for is it doesn't have pockets.
Doesn't have pockets. It is $5 though. But it doesn't have pockets.
Now, I do have some Walmart ones that are black, but they have pockets, okay? And they're like, like $5 and some cents. So that's the only thing I'll ding it for, but I did like the design, so I'll go with that. And then I got this really cute kind of cami, and this is just $5. It's I think it's a little bit ribbed.
It is a little ribbed, and I think it has like that
here,
that boat neck. That's really tight. That's something that's like really, I would say, part of the aesthetic for athleisure is that it's, it looks very much like you're going to the gym. It needs to be multi-purpose so that you can look cute at the gym.
Now, typically with this, I would wear, it depends on what I'm doing, right? So if I'm just like kind of lounging around, I would wear like my little slippies that Tenaj gave me from Five Below.
Yeah.
That are really cute, comfortable to walk on, but they're also like furry.
Slippers. Yeah, they're very much like slippers, but you can walk outside with them.
Or if I'm gonna be walking around, I'm gonna wear my white sneakers that are not really like sneakers that I got from Charlotte Russe. And I did like that these fabrics are very lightweight, so it's perfect for the summertime. Where here in Georgia, it's just the heat will really, it just feels like the sun is just pointing at you sometimes. So
yeah, like magnifying glass type. Yes.
Yeah, I just need something that's not gonna make me sweat like crazy. I don't sweat a lot. Okay, that's too personal. But y'all know what I mean. I just don't need anything that's gonna make me sweat a lot, and this is like perfect fabric. Anyways, your turn.
My turn? Okay. All right, guys. So I am wearing this here is a sports bra that I got from Five Below. I do regret that I got it in the medium. I wish I had gotten it in a small because my back is small, and I think I need to go more off of back versus cup size when it comes to sports bras. But it's still comfortable enough, and it does the job, so I'm okay with it. But I feel like make sure you get it by your back and not so much your bust when you're looking for sports bras at Five Below. And then also, it's a sweatshirt, then it has the tie in the back. And so the idea is that you're definitely gonna, like how I have now, some type of something in the back. You know, you're not just gonna go, bare.
I mean, you might.
You might.
That's
true.
The thing.
You might, and that's actually what this is for. If you need that kind of support, I'm gonna be wearing something behind it with it. And the leggings I have on, I actually got from Amazon. I think I paid maybe $8 for it off of Amazon. These are very much TikTok-esque leggings.
Those are the TikTok leggings that everyone gets.
Yes. I didn't like the idea of it being honeycomb like that. That kind of freaked my eyes out. So that's why I got it in all black. I didn't get the white on gray, even though I'm sure that gives more of the three-dimensional effect that you're supposed to get with that. But these are very breathable. They don't have pockets. So there's that. That's why I don't wear these that often.
Dang.
And of course the little slip-on shoes from Five Below.
I have the slip-on.
These, if you find them, grab them. They're very good house shoes, and I tend to walk my dogs in these. Like I go outside in these a lot, and they hold up just fine.
Yep. Okay, so for outfit number 2, this is also from Five Below. My bottoms are, and these are capris.
Yeah, capri leggings. Capris. And they have a pocket, ladies and gentlemen.
They have a pocket on one side, which I really respect.
Yes.
It's actually a lot deeper than I thought it was gonna be. I have some leggings that I adore that go all the way down. So, but this is $5. $5, just fine. It's pretty stretchy, so I do like that. It's stretchy at the hip region. So for a lot of us that we do need that little bit of you gotta jump into. I did like the print, so I'm very attracted to leggings that have print in them. Besides just my regular black leggings, I do pair this along. You guys, I have a shirt that I got from the mall. Yeah, I went to the mall.
The mall.
And there's a store called Windsor that we actually have not done a video on, but it's a very hit or miss store.
Yes.
We usually don't get things regular retail because it's a little
expensive.
But if you go to their $10 store, sometimes you do get pretty good
quality
pieces.
Stuff, yeah.
Now this is a off-the-shoulder shirt that you'll see me wearing here shortly, but I really like it. I mean, it looks really nice with a lot of different
aesthetics,
bottoms.
Yeah, everything. Okay. Yeah.
But with this, it just looks really nice. I could definitely dress it up with this, and I could put on some sneakers. I'm not gonna put on sneakers here because again, I left those. Okay, I didn't bring it to the studio. But I could wear sneakers. I could also wear these with just some regular like flip flops or just what have you, whatever really shoes I have laying around. You could also wear this with just a regular tank. Just regular sports bra, just depending on what you're doing. But listen, these two together, just everything.
It looks awesome.
It's awesome.
So I have a combination. Most of this actually came from Plato's. So that our shopping vlog that we went to Plato's, check it out.
It's the first store from Plato's, not the second one.
Yeah, the first store. That first store. So this is a camo sports bra, and it was only $4 at Plato's Closet. And this is very nice, like very well made, has good padding in it, good support. And I also found these leggings, and I paid $8 for these. These came from Plato's as well, and these are actually the Target brand. They're the Target Athleisure brand that they have. It's called All in Motion. Yeah, these are really good. I have some, I have a top that I bought from Target that was All in Motion, and I loved it. So when I saw this at Plato's, I was like, yeah,
gotta get
it. And of course,
double pockets, y'all.
Double pockets. There's a theme here. We enjoy pockets, and so if you have pockets.
Listen, as a female, you just need pockets to put your stuff.
Yes. Why are they so anti-pockets? Well, I did actually look that up. It's because they think lines are more important than functionality. No, sir.
I mean, yeah, it does look a little bulky, but I mean, I don't care. I need somewhere to put my keys, my wallet, and my chapstick, and my SPF, and all the other things.
Yes. I don't want to carry my full briefcase purse that I have. So I don't,
And I'm going to feel someone trying to get into my pockets that are skin tight.
Right there.
Okay?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, so for my final outfit, everything is going to come from Charlotte Russe, and don't be surprised, but everything is going to be black. So, first item, my bottoms are these really cute joggers that are extremely lightweight, and they cinch at the ankles, which is my personal preference. And what I really like about these is that the width of the actual leg pant is not as wide as some other joggers that I currently have in my wardrobe, because sometimes the dimensions just don't make me look very flattering because I am very short.
Yeah, they look kind of, I know exactly what you're talking about.
It looks bulgy. It looks like I'm just trying to do like, the hammer dance, and that's just not cute. Or like the sauna suit that we saw at Five Below. I'm just not trying to do that look. But these are really great, especially great for the summer where you're just not trying to do something that's too heavy. Because again, we're in Georgia and it's extremely hot.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then I just paired it because these are already pretty long and it's going to cover the majority of my bottom half of my body. I just went with a cute little kind of crop top. You wouldn't even consider this a sports bra for certain people. It just doesn't give a lot of support.
Yeah,
so I don't consider it a sports bra.
That's very true. I think the support part is kind of what makes the difference between something being
So I don't consider it a sports bra, but I would definitely wear I don't know. Well, I don't really have a lot of luggage up here. But I wear pasties, or I would wear my paste on prom with this one. But yeah, I really like it. It's just, you know, it crops just at the perfect area where these kind of come up on me. So, perfect combination. And the price for these, this was about $7. Yeah. And these joggers were about $10.
So mine is basically Five Below. When we were at Five Below, I found a sweatshirt, and it has like the pull on it right here to make it really cinch your waist. And when I think like loungewear, this is what I think of when I think of loungewear. Basically sweats, but not like your dad's sweats. These are your sweats. Does that make sense?
Not your boyfriend's sweats.
Yes.
If your boyfriend sweats low.
Yes. Get your own sweats, because guess what? This was only $5 for the top, and also $5 for the bottom. And this also cinches at the ankles, which is incredible. These are $5 sweatpants. They do not have pockets, but no, they don't have pockets. But
I got pockets, y'all. Just saying.
But yours is also $10.
Yeah, mine's double the price.
Yes. So the cool thing is, when we were at Five Below, we did see like pants and shorts with pockets, but they were aimed at the men. So if you really do want sweats with pockets at Five Below, you could find them. I found that this material was more like giving. The other one was kind of papery.
That's true. I didn't care for the men's one. It just felt very...
Yeah, that's why I didn't pick it up, because I don't have a problem wearing... Too rustic. I don't have a problem wearing men's clothes at all. The material didn't fit the bill for me. I really enjoyed this set, and
I love it.
It's
so cute.
I think really when it gets like really cold, I could just wear, you know, tighter leggings underneath and this over it, and I can still wear this through the winter.
Cute. And as someone that's like in college right now, I could totally see that being like lounging or online, or if I have to go like to campus and I wake up really last minute and I don't have time to think of an outfit, I'm like,
oh yeah, and you look put together. You would never know you just rolled out of bed. But that's the cool thing about athleisure wear. I think that we are taking all aspects of our life and making it fashionable. So
okay, so if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure, like always, you give us a thumbs up. If you have not joined the It's Color and Beauty family, we do urge you to go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and also hit that notification button for all future videos that we'll be releasing very soon.
Yes, and also go to our Instagram. That's It's Color and Beauty, ITSCOLOUR, because we are indeed worldly like that. And we also have a TikTok. Go to TikTok. That's Color and Beauty, COLOUR as well. All right, guys. So we will see you guys on the next one. Bye.